It still looks good. Bobby,
Yeah.
can you line that up for me? I can't
Yes.
see. Thanks, buddy.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, go ahead.
There you go. Whoop. It won't turn any more than that. I can't. It won't stay locked.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
Can you lock it?
There you go. Yep.
Lock it.
Locked.
Tight.
It's locked.
It's not going to stay.
Oh, I see what's happening here. We're running up against the thing there.
Yeah.
It's too far off to the right. That's all right. Wow.
Wow. Yeah. Classic.
Looking rope right there. Or funnel. If you want to call it that. I don't know what you call it. It looks like a rope.
Classic ropey tornado.
Yeah.
Oh, well, mistimed a bit.
New tornado about to form. It is.
It is formed.
It is there.
It's there. And it's about a mile
I
and
thought
a
I
half.
saw that too. Remember you said I said there's something doing right there, and
Yeah.
there it goes.
Wow, look at that. That's not very far away. That's a
No.
mile. That's a mile and a half away.
I'm gonna take some
And
stills of that.
we're in the path, kind of, which is okay.
All right, we got to be ready to fly in a moment's notice.
Yes.
That looks good, G. Hey, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Was it a bad day after
It
all?
wasn't a bad day after all. Yep, look at it.
Okay, it's trying to get the funnel's trying to get its act together here.
Ah, get behind the building, dang it.
It's on the ground. Bobby, there's another pull-off down there. You want to go down there?
Let's reposition over to that pull-off so we get a view behind the building.
Come on, we'll reposition right now.
Okay. Let's go.
Ready to go?
Yep, go.
Yeah, that's still a bat.
That's beautiful.
We gotta get it still a bat. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm getting it.
Can you pull up just a couple of feet?
You want a couple feet?
Just so the grill's too high.
I gotta pull back for that. I gotta back up. I gotta back up. Oh, okay. Oh God, that's, look at that.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
It helps a little. Can you, yeah. Okay.
That's the best I can do
Best
without
you can
going
do.
up on the road and sticking my nose out. Oh man.
Look at it go.
That's phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Look at it. Spin down.
Yep. Look for another one, because I think it's up to again. This inflow is way too strong for it not to be. Oh, I gotta get the Durango in it too. Oh, I got the Durango in it. Manometer, Durango, 15. Oh, what a shot. Yeah. You know what's amazing? It's not moving. No, it's not. It's like a little drill press. This is going to do it again. That's the old occlusion. The new one should be right up in here. I hope. Oh, look at that, get ropey. Boy, there's still a lot of motion up there. Precip. Oh, I know. Yeah. It's like Energizer Bunny. Look at that. Look at it on the ground.
Yeah, I got to zoom in on that.
Man,
Oh, shoot.
we got to watch for another one because it's going to be up here somewhere, probably right in front of us.
Oh, dang it.
Where's that new?
Can you-
Where's it occluded?
No, it's too late. I'm
What
right
happened?
behind your...
Oh, it's about gone anyhow. But it looks like it's
Yeah.
just pooped out. I'm sorry about that.
I know.
Kind of a bad position.
It's
but
tough. It's never easy.
Oh, well, I guess we shouldn't have blown off that first
Oh,
tornado. Was pretty nice one.
yeah, it was.
the hell is that on the ground? Is that still there?
It's still there. Yeah, it's still, there.
got a little dust.
Still there.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, we got inflow dust. Oh yeah, yeah, that is.
Yeah, look at that.
Bobby, look to your right. There's our new mezzo right there.